Introducing the only e-bike small and light enough to carry in a backpack. The SMA Circle S1. SMA Circle is more than just an e-bike. It's your new everyday companion for better, easier transportation.
My name is Wu. I'm the co-founder and chief marketing officer at SMA Circle Technology. So many of us experience problems in our commutes, traffic jams, crowded public transportation, and distance that too far. We committed to creating the best possible solutions.
Because of its carbon fiber frame, it weighs a mere 15.4 pounds. As soon as you're ready to ride, you can be on your way in seconds with 5 easy steps. Monitor your speed, distance, your lights, your battery, all while charging your smartphone. The S1 is durable and tough. It can easily carry up to 220 pounds. With its sleek, modern design, the S1 gets you from A to B in style. The SMA Circle S1 will keep you cruising at a speed of 12.4 miles per hour. The simple handlebar thumb control allows the rider to adjust speed. The left thumb brake will quickly and safely stop the S1. When your ride is done, simply use the SMA Circle app to lock your S1, making it unusable to anyone but you.
SMA Circle team has spent countless days on research and development. We want to design an e-bike. Not only can save energy, but also can save time and space, so you can take with you wherever you can.
Whether you're commuting to work or cruising through the park, the S1's adjustable seat and handlebars always make for a comfortable ride. The SMA Circle S1, the most portable and lightweight e-bike available today.
To get all the latest news, visit www.beholdthefuture.com.
6 degrees of freedom, what does that mean? That means when you duck, it goes down. When you jump, it goes up. So most of these things, AR controllers go left, right, forward, back. This is 6 degrees, meaning you get that up and down, so that jump and duck.
Essentially, it's a VR game on your smartphone, but you don't have the cumbersome headset on. You can look around you, you don't need to stumble off the stairs.
Exactly.
But
it's handheld VR.
Right now, I'm going to shoot this enemy. So 6 off is basically talking about 6 degrees of freedom. So that means that while I'm using this gun, I can go this way, then I can do this, I can duck, I can shoot.
It's really seamless, honestly. Like when you duck, the game, in-game, you duck too. It uses your phone's gyroscope and accelerometer to read all your movements.
Another key feature we learned about, this will be open to developers, so you might see this technology in all types of different blasters. That could be really cool. 6 degrees of freedom we talked about, that's really neat. Separates this, the 4 action buttons, so you can have a lot of different gameplay in there. You can zoom, reload, things like that.
Introducing the Power Dolphin. PowerVision's forward-thinking design team have created a one-of-a-kind streamlined appearance. Power Dolphin has improved the fish finder system. Comes with a newly designed fishing bait container that can accurately release bait. With Power Dolphin, you have a new way to fish by dragging your line behind you instead of your traditional fishing rod, allowing you to tow back catches from the safety of the shoreline or your own boat. It has a 132-degree wide-angle lens, equipped with a headlamp and 4 levels of brightness. You can preview and record fishing via the front camera. Power Dolphin is not only useful for fishing, but also in marine search and rescue. It has 3 different speed levels. Life jackets and other life-saving devices can be delivered safely and released via the remote control function. It can be operated with the included controller or your very own smartphone. Both of these formats have one-touch return to home built in. Power Dolphin's smart sonar system can be used to generate a topographic map of the most complex underwater environments, including the ocean floor. It comes with an interchangeable battery and a micro SD card. It has a running time of approximately 2 hours. Power Dolphin can reach speeds of up to 16 feet per second. It is equipped with a unique dual-joint rotating camera, allowing users to see above and below the water surface, with a 215-degree wide viewing angle. The 12-megapixel camera shoots at 4K 30 frames per second, with real-time streaming at 1080p HD. So you can better see what's above and below you. Whether you're fishing, surfing, exploring, or rescuing, Power Dolphin is another leap forward in the world of remote-controlled marine vehicles.